When you think Applied, you think best-in-class blasting machines, and it's no wonder. At our headquarters in Burr, County Offaly, in the heart of Ireland, we've been producing elite blasting machines, blasting-related gear, and quality abrasive media for over 13 years. The Applied Siphon 1200 is no different, proving one of our top-selling blast cabinets. Powerful yet precise, the Siphon 1200 blast cabinet changes the game for automotive repair and restoration, industrial manufacturing, metalworking and fabrication, DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. The Siphon 1200 has a compact footprint and doesn't require a large open space behind for additional equipment like most cabinets on the market. Manufactured with performance and versatility in mind, it is engineered to accommodate a wide range of abrasive media and surface cleaning needs, and built to withstand continuous use in the most demanding of circumstances without compromising operator comfort or safety. With clean, sharp lines and impressive functionality, this superior blast cabinet represents an instant upgrade for your factory or workshop and comes ready to use. No lengthy setup or dismantling required. Maximum visibility is core to the Siphon 1200's design. It features a large angled front viewing window and a high luminosity LED light with a protective inner visor in a quick change frame, so you can swap the visor in seconds without the need for tools. Plus, a quick release system for changing the heavy duty abrasive resistant rubber gloves just as fast, and a removable heavy duty perforated floor allowing for hassle-free maintenance. Twin side doors with quick release heavy duty latches enable complete cabinet access with media trays to catch any loose grit as you open the doors. A fully welded chamber with heavy duty internal rubber curtains suspended on a hanger system and hard-wearing reinforced rubber seal on both doors provide 100% containment. The high-quality powder coat finish inside and out ensures long-lasting colour and durability. A heavy-duty foot activation pedal allows for full control over the blasting operation. The heavy-duty blast hose is equipped with an applied nozzle holder, allowing the hassle-free changing of the extreme long-life boron carbide nozzles supplied with the Siphon 1200, along with an air blowdown gun for blowing down blasted parts before removing them from the cabinet. Also, 10 meters of heavy-duty air supply hose, which come fitted with quick claw couplings. The Siphon 1200 comes complete with CE mark safety switches, preventing the machine from operating when the doors are open. Adjustable feet enable you to set the cabinet at the optimal working height for you. As with all Applied blast cabinets, the Siphon 1200 comes standard with a standalone Applied DE660 dust extractor to help ensure optimal visibility within the cabinet. The DE660 boasts compelling features: high-performance spun-bond polyester cartridge, automatic purge system for filter cleaning, easily accessible internal chamber, and removable dust and waste shelf. Once done, the spent abrasive can be easily recovered via the steep funnel into a suitable container for reuse. It also includes a moisture water separator to assist in extracting moisture from the incoming compressed air supply, preventing the abrasive media from becoming damp. Because we do our manufacturing in-house, you can rest assured your Siphon 1200 leaves our factory exactly the way you want it, backed by a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. And it goes without saying that all consumable and serviceable parts are available to order from our warehouse. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about the Siphon 1200, feel free to contact us.